Using ChatGPT is easy. Go to chatgpt.com on your web browser. Click on the Sign in with Google button. Once signed in, click on the New Conversation button. Type in your message. Here are the steps to use ChatGPT effectively. Ask a question or provide a prompt. Start by typing a question or a prompt in the chat box. You can ask for information, advice and explanations, or engage in a conversation on a wide range of topics. Be clear and specific. To get the best response, make your questions or prompts as clear and specific as possible. Avoid vague or ambiguous queries. Experiment. Feel free to experiment and refine your prompts. If you're not satisfied with the initial response, you can ask follow-up questions or rephrase your request. Use context. You can refer to previous messages in the conversation to provide context. For example, you can say, "As we discussed earlier," to help ChatGPT understand the ongoing conversation. Commands. You can also use commands to give specific instructions to ChatGPT. For example, you can say, "Translate the following English text into French," or "Summarize the article below." Limitations. Keep in mind that ChatGPT has limitations. It may sometimes generate incorrect or nonsensical responses. If you encounter such responses, you can ask for clarification or rephrase your question. Tasks that require accuracy, such as fact-checking or important decisions, it's a good practice to verify the information it provides with reliable sources. Enjoy the conversation. ChatGPT can be a helpful tool for learning, brainstorming, or simply having engaging conversations. Enjoy the experience and use it to supplement your knowledge and creativity. Practice and learn. The more you use ChatGPT, the better you'll become at generating effective prompts and getting useful responses. It's a valuable tool for learning and problem solving. Remember that while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's a machine learning model, and its responses are generated based on patterns in the data it was trained on. It's important to critically evaluate the information it provides and use your judgment when making decisions based on its responses. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe for more.